Hi, I'm Anthony Oxen with Samchully Workholding. We're here at IMTS 2018. Just like to introduce some of our new product line, which are going to be our tool holders coming out 2019. We'll be carrying all styles, the BTs, the dual contact, the PSCs, shrink fits, even making our own collets. At Samchully, we offer a full line of machine tool accessories covering every range of solution you need. We offer big bore air chucks, rotary tables, vices, cylinders, steady rests, tool holders, and collets. We also have the capability of making our own pull studs, ER collets, SK collets, as well as the whole line of whatever is needed. We also carry a full line of rotary tables from multi-head, large bore, 4th axis, 5th axis, full integration, any custom accessory you would like on it. Our dual head rotary table, 5th axis table is a great tool because you can do multiple operations all in one setup, saving and reducing setup time.